Hey, Rolling Stoners, I want you to just note the planes that we're coming to now. There's a whole lot of wild animal on the plane. Um, Look how beautiful the planes are. Open country for wildlife and us lucky humans to be able to see this stuff. We're coming up to the Pandora waterhole, and there's don't know what that is, but we'll get past there. Um, there's a few zebra. I'll open the window. There's some zebra right over there. No, they're standing in their majestic way, loving life. This beautiful green grass. We're coming up behind this car's a warthog close by. So as soon as we drive past, oh, look at the little oaks. Man, oh man, hello guys. Aren't they cute? How they sit on their knees. How they sit on their knees.
Amazon.
That's cool, eh? They're so gentle and that's so great, man. Coming up towards the waterhole, you'll see there's a whole lot of zebras that are enjoying this plane here. And there's one by the water itself. Are we driving straight down this road? Navigator? Okay, we're going to carry on looping, so I'm sure we'll see some variety soon. Jazz is getting really close up my nose. I do apologize. What a beautiful vantage point to be able to see. Is that the first time you've seen a zebra?
No, but
Okay.
really, really cool to see them in the wild.
Yeah, yeah. So where did you see zebras last? Link?
Oh, I forget the name of it.
Were they in captivity?
It was a sanctuary, so they were
Okay.
not in captivity. They were wild, but it was still really, really cool to see them here.
Well, I wonder how we define the word captivity. Are they captive in this fence of this national park? How big does the fence have to be to determine what captivity means in relation to wildlife? We're going on a loop now, as you can see, and we can pick up the pace. You can see if there's any animals in the road or in the bush too, because there's bush. I want to just there's something on its way. It's coming up right now. There they are. They're having a little bit of a kiss, a nature kiss. There's a little water hole here.
Could it?
Yeah.
Oh, so I don't know where the foot is.
Isn't that beautiful? Right, guys, we're gonna don't just follow us, don't just like us, don't just share us.
Come roll with us.
Come roll with us. Keep rolling!